Hi, I'm Deb Pervin, and this week's Tuesday Tweak is about your PFS. Your PFS is your personal financial statement. Now, your personal financial statement is not the same as your business financial statements, and you will need both if you're ever talking with a lender or an investor. They may ask you for both. Now, both are the same in a couple of different ways. Both need to be kept up to date. Both will use your personal credit scores rather than your business credit score. I'm often asked, do I get a business credit score? And it's not usually worth it. Your personal credit is what will determine your payment history and the safety of the lender making that loan or investor knowing that you're going to be good at making your payments. Both of these statements will show income and expenses, assets and liabilities, and both must match your tax returns. You can't just make them up and then not have those match. Now, what's different? Well, the biggest difference is your personal financial statement. You can appreciate your assets. So if your home goes up in value, if you bought your home at $200,000 and it's now worth $400,000, you can show that appreciation. You cannot do that on your business financials. Those are always valued at the cost of the asset. Important difference. The second thing is I do not recommend that you leverage your personal assets, but if you have a strong recurring cash flow, I recommend that you leverage your business assets so you can grow faster. And finally, in business, it's really helpful to see the history of your business, the trends over the last couple of years. But your personal financial statement, not so much. You probably just need to do that once a year at the end of the year, and that should be sufficient. Remember, it is absolutely essential that you keep your personal assets and your business assets separate. Do not commingle those accounts. If you personally lend to your business, write a note. Make it a note receivable or a note payable, and make sure you keep track of it. Do not commingle those funds, because your lender and your investor will need to know that you understand the difference between what you own personally and what your business owns. I've had a lot of conversations with my clients about that recently. That's it for this week. I'll see you next week. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Bye, and thanks for watching.